now we're just waiting on Alex because he brought his GoPro and he has like a little extender just to hold it. Like he doesn't even like ever extend it, but I guess that's considered a selfie stick. So they made him return it, so he had to walk all the way to the car, and now he's coming all the way back. But it's okay because we're still waiting on Chris and on his friend Christian. So they parked somewhere else, so we're just waiting on them here anyway. So it's fine because they're not here yet, so it worked out. But right now you may notice my eyes a little red, so disregard that. It just keeps doing that. I don't know why, but it goes away before we get to the parks, or I don't know, maybe some little wind will do me some good once we get on the tram. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. Hopefully everything gets good because it looks like I'm crying. It just doesn't look good. So I'll see you guys in a bit once we get to the park.
Feet and legs inside while the tram is moving, and supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las
one of his eyes bigger than the other.
Disney District. If you are here just for the day, our one-day park hopper ticket offers same-day admission to both. Maximize your visit by downloading the official Disneyland app to purchase
He's like,
tickets,
I'm over this.
access
He's
park
about to
maps,
knock out.
view attraction wait times.
And we're here, gangs are here. Ay, muy enojadito. We're here. Christian, how do you feel?
Me? Hey, we're big timers. You gotta ask permission.
Alright guys, so we are taking a picture with Goofy first. We haven't done this with the baby yet, so we will see how he does. I hope he doesn't get scared. Is not my camera broken? Oh, was in Disneyland? Yes. So we got some beignets. Right now we are going to Galaxy's Edge because my brother made a reservation for the August Cantina. So we're gonna try to meet them up over there. And update on my eye, it looks a little better. Doesn't look very red anymore. So how does my hair look red?
No, you look greasy.
But we're gonna do that, and then afterwards we're definitely getting on Splash Mountain because it closes in like 2 days. So I'll keep you guys updated. So that's the main priority for today. I gotta get on it. It's hard to vlog with one hand. Mom life.
Notify us immediately.
Yeah.
This way, please, citizen.
Alright guys, so I think I need to start vlogging on my phone now because the camera lost its other screw, so now I can't even hold it, and then it was like acting weird when I turned it on, like it wouldn't, the screen wouldn't turn on, so I have to go get that fixed ASAP. So it might be iPhone quality videos from now on. It's actually like pretty good quality. It's the iPhone 14 and it's really good. So we got our beignets, guys. Mine's, you know, half bitten. We're just here. Jared is enjoying them. Oh my god, look at that quality. I can see your pimples. Dude, do you see that quality though?
It's 42 megapixels, come on.
Mi amor, ¿te encantó o qué? But right now we're just waiting on August Cantina because Chris made a reservation. And we're gonna get a drinky drink, you know. We actually got to sit right in front of the bar. How cool. Alright guys, we got our drinks. This is a fuzzy tom tom. the fuzzy Tom Tom and the overdrive, I think. Cheers! Cheers, guys! Woo! Alright guys, this is like not too bad. The little bubbles leave a tingling feeling in your lips. Like, they feel like they're, like, I don't know, I feel like I'm getting an allergic reaction. That's how it feels like. But the bartender said it was normal, so I don't know. DJ Rex. Alright guys, so we got out of the Cantina not too long ago, and now we're gonna head over to Pirates because it's only like a 15-minute wait. So we're gonna wait for that. Bye-bye, old man. It's Goofy. How do you not? That's the nose and the ears.
Grab this water.
Mio and Obito.
He's not among us long.
Salute. As I leave, drink up for me, Hardy Joe. Rascals and scoundrels, villains and knaves, drink up for me, Hardy Joe.
How cute. I love when they do art like this. We are going to California Adventure now. Alright guys, so we are at California Adventure now, and I'm still vlogging on my phone because my camera just gave out on me. Hopefully I can go get it fixed. If not, like I said, I might have to buy a new one. But we're here. We're gonna go to Guardians, and that's probably the only ride we're gonna be able to do because it closed like in an hour and the line is like an hour long. So we're gonna get on that right now and we'll see how it goes. Hey, can you put it in my ride?
Gamora, daughter of Thanos.
Hi.
This is the moment.
Bitch, how are you gonna do that? I don't know. The rocket, I'll fuck you.
And start things rocking.
Oh, a different song, finally. Ah. Okay, that's not us, but that looks pretty funny. Literally everyone did it. That looks so funny. But that's us. Right over there. Oh, you look cute, Steph. Alright guys, so we just got off of Guardians. We're gonna try to sprint to Incredicoaster because it closed in literally 8 minutes. So we don't know if we're gonna make it because then they have World of Color. And they usually close it when they do World of Color, so I don't know. We'll see if we make it. We're just gonna, you know, risk it, and then if they make us leave, then we'll just leave and go to Disneyland again, so I'll keep you guys updated. Oh my goodness, guys, we literally ran. We're like, we're not gonna take any chances. We're trying to get on the ride. And we ran and we made it. I don't know where Chris and Christian went, but we'll see if they make it. Or hopefully we make it, because I don't know, it's already 10 and World of Color starts at 10:15. I don't know if they still close it for that, so we'll see. But whew, I'm sweating, I'm hot. Whew. Woo, we made it. We're next. How do you guys feel? How do you feel? All right, how do you feel? Oh my God! All right, guys, so that was a success. We were able to get on the ride, well, the 2 rides that we wanted to get on at DCA. So now we're gonna head back to Disneyland because we are going to Splash Mountain, because that was the major goal for today. Like I said, last time to ever ride it, so we gotta do it. We gotta do it today, and we gotta finish it strong. So we're gonna head over there right now. Hopefully there's not a long line, because I'm sure people have like the same idea that they know it's gonna close, so they all wanna ride it before it closes. So let's hope the line isn't too long. So wish us luck. But yeah, so we're just gonna head over there. I'm still kind of like sweating, but it kind of looks like highlight, so it's not too bad. But yeah, World of Color is just playing in the background, and we literally made perfect timing. We got on Guardians and Incredicoaster served right before they closed. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
I don't want to get on the website.
All right, guys, we have made it to the main event. We are almost on Splash Mountain. The last time we will ever ride Splash Mountain ever. It's only Chris, Christian, and I, because Stephanie didn't want to get wet and neither did Alex. So right now we are just waiting, and we're literally about to be on. So excited. How do you do? We're literally next. We're gonna get wet. Oh my goodness, she's soaked. Too late, you can't switch. I'm not ready. There's not even the big one. And I'm scared. Oh my God, I'm scared. Oh my God. Dude, we get wet on this one too. Let me put my feet up. Can we go back? Oh no! No! The little ones are the worst. Okay. Oh, guys, that was horrible. We just went down and it wasn't even the main drop. We got so soaked. Oh my goodness. Imagine the big one. I can't. I'm soaked. I don't know what we're gonna do. Great.
Oh, you're looking for a rabbit. We'll show.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop recording now.
12 seconds later.
Guys, we're done for. I was supposed to take off my sweater.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's 10:38, 11:38. My jeans look like I just got these out of the wash and put them on because they're wet. My hair looks like I just got out of the shower.
Alex got to put that shit on.
Drenched. Drenched.
Have to buy a towel.
Feeling wonderful day. Zippity doo da, zippity yay. Last splash ever, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm soaked. Oh my goodness, I was terrified and still holding my phone. Alright guys, so we are heading out for the night. We got on Splash Mountain, which was the whole purpose of this trip. So I will see you guys on the next vlog.